I noticed when I was cleaning my Pug windshield there in front of me, I was cleaning it with a lint, with a micro cloth, and then I noticed fine scratches. So a warning to you guys cleaning your screens, even if it's a microfiber cloth, you want to give it a shake and make sure it's actually a clean new cloth and not rubbed too hard, because scratches came on very easy. I must say I was applying a bit of force, so maybe that's a trick. Not too hard, and give the cloth a shake before you go and do all sorts of stuff with your cloth on your screens. Luckily I can't see, the scratches are so fine I can't see them on the screen right now, so that's good, but got to be mindful of that. Jeez. Maybe what I should do is clean it with a chamois first, a wet chamois, to get rid of any grit, and then use a microfiber cloth that I'm sure is clean, and that should do it. I've got a damn piece of fluff in my face, so excuse me while I lift up my visor and get a piece of hair or something that's in my face. And I just changed the visor on this helmet to a nice new clear one. Oh, that looks good. The other one had a dirty line across it, and this is good, and it holds well. Oh, I like it. Okay, the visor is now fixed and clear. That's good. Look how clear that is. Oh, I like that. Nothing like a new visor. You know those bloody anti-fog screens for your visor? Jeez. Oh, they are annoying and crap. I've decided I'm not going with those. I mean, unless you live in a really frosty kind of place where it's essential. If you are going to get one of those, get a good, pay extra for a good quality helmet that has good quality stuff of that, because you don't want mediocre stuff of that, because it's very precise the way it works, and if it's not working, or if it's not good quality, it's not going to be precise, and it'll wear on you very easily. So stay away from the anti-fog double visors if you don't want to be annoyed. But yeah, this visor was good, but I ride this with this helmet mostly up, and the screen on my bike, it does good wind flow, so I never feel like my head, even though I'm wearing a flip helmet, I never feel like my head's being thrown back because of the wind. I mean, on the GSA there kind of was some of that going on, where it felt like the flip top wouldn't work quite well on the GSA, but on the K I've got no sense of the flip top. Even though it's a tall flip top, I've got no sense of it being blown back and up, so that's a good thing, isn't it? Oh, by the way, I hope you saw that beautiful site there. I actually went that way to show you how it looked going that way, and right at the top of the mountain and coming through those houses. I hope you saw that. That was good. Gee, she's giving the bird to someone. Must be a draggy. Looks like it's a drag friend of hers in a Nissan. They look like drag friends. You know, I did my last video. I'll explain how I did my last video for those video enthusiasts. So here's a bit of a video tip for you guys. I do like to do my YouTube videos. I feel like, I don't know, it feels like a community, you know, and you're sharing something with someone, and they can watch it if they like, and if they don't want to watch it, they don't have to watch it. And if you like what I've got to say, or you're interested in what you see, you know, it's something cool to observe. But the way I do it, I record the video on the GoPro and then voice. I used to have it all set up with the cables and stuff and mics on my helmet. I thought that's just too hard. But what I'm using for audio now that I think is working well is a Rode Wireless Pro, and all I do is strap it under my chin strap on my helmet. So right now I've got the open face, I've got the windscreen in front of me, and my mic is just strapped on my chin strap, pointing towards my throat. So it's right on my throat with one of those feathery wind protector things. And that seems to work. So I record them separately, right? And then I throw them into iMovie and I sync the audio and the video with a clap on at the front. The clap, I just do a big clap that you can see and hear, and I sync that in iMovie. Once it's synced in iMovie, I then export the combined video and audio to what do I export it to? Deselect, D-E-select, deselect. I export it to there, and then deselect creates a transcript of what I'm saying, and then with deselect I can just like a document, I can delete any words I don't want to appear, and as I delete the words, it's actually deleting the video. Isn't that pretty cool? And then once I've done that, I give the transcript and the audio file to ChatGPT, and it does the YouTube SEO data for me. Freaking brilliant. How do you do yours? Because I think that's pretty simple and good. If you've got a better way, let me know, because I think that's pretty streamlined. And you know what I like? If I am doing, like if I'm riding along and I decide to do something that might not be accepted easily by the public or the police, I just shut the fuck up. And it won't come out on the video, because what I do is I delete anything more than 2 seconds silence out. You can actually change that and set it to 5 or 4, whatever you like. So I might try actually 5 next time. Sometimes I think the video goes a bit too quick. And so if I don't want you to see it, I best just keep my mouth shut. Hey, there's a nice view, you see. I like these. I could have gone through the suburbs to go from Ferny Creek to Dandenong, but I prefer to go this sight view way. It's pretty picturesque. You're right on top of the mountainside here. If you look straight ahead, you'll see the city come up, and I think that's Box Hill there, straight ahead, and then slightly to the left is the city. So yeah, nice view. I have decided something about the modes control on the K1600, and the decision is on this K1600 GT. I have decided that I like rain mode, and I just like to leave it in rain mode. I mean, this thing has so much power that it's just so volatile and dynamic, I find. It's just too stressful. I mean, maybe I'm supposed to be an RT rider. RT hasn't got that jerkiness, that punch like this K can have on dynamic. RTs can be very, very smooth, but I've decided, nah, I'm going rain mode on the K. Look, if I ever have to race someone around anywhere, I'll chuck it on dynamic, but otherwise I like the rain mode, and rain mode's got a heap of power, and if I need it I can downshift for some power, but I don't think I need dynamic on this thing. It's just a Ferrari with big kahunas. About the K1600 seat that I'm sitting on, I prefer it to have it higher. I've got a GT and I prefer it to sit higher than typical. only because when it's sitting on its normal setting, I feel like it tilts down a bit, and I don't like the seat feeling like it's tilting down a bit, because I feel like I'm sliding down, you see. I like the seat to be absolutely flat, or even a bit up at the front. And so, you know what I found? Those rubber balls on the end that the seat sits on. All you need is to get a couple of those rubber balls that you can get from online, which are pivoted with the hole to one end, so you can rotate the ball to give you the extra height. And I found I didn't think that ball would be enough, but let me tell you, that little rotating ball is enough to move your seat from a slightly down position to a perfectly flat and more comfortable position. So I highly recommend those adjustable ball things for the bottom of your seat.